Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat network. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat network, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. After that, you will enter to clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you will search about Snapchat and you can update your Snapchat there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.